Hey, my prepper posse. Why do I have my clothes hanging in the bus? Our clothes. Because we did laundry. And we didn't make it. Which is fine, because they're dried hanging up in here. But let me show you what's going down. Oh yeah. Here it comes. So, rather than spend the time to wash and whatnot, we're going to go ahead and, bring them in. So mostly today, I've been on the phone because there's all these things that you have to get. The commissary kitchen, the insurance, the this, the that they require when you go out in a food cart. So I was pricing all that stuff. I did call up the motor place that the RV place that we're taking the bus to, so they can go through my solar. And very reasonable, very trustworthy. I just wanted to make sure that I knew how much money they were charging. So that's all good. Yay. You think the cat's chilling a little bit in the kitchen? Yeah. In this kind of heat, you just want to lay around. I don't mean in the bus, but I mean it's just hot outside, and they can hear the thunder, so they're just chilling. Tank is hiding under the table in his bed. He's scared. Don't be scared, buddy. It's okay, we're here. Shout out to Scott Punk. I appreciate the shout out. Thank you so much. Yeah, minimalism, it's killing me. I'm trying so hard because I really don't want a lot of stuff. So, but I'm giving you a shout out back, what I can. Thank you so much. We're gonna get ready to cook some burgers and chill out. We did as much as we can do until this storm passes. I hope everybody enjoys their day. Don't forget to play. See you!